Jai Srimanarayana. 72nd sloka of 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kacchidetat Srutam Pardha Tvaya Ekagrena Cetasa Kachit Ajnana Sammohaha Pranashtaste Dhananjaya. Om. Listen to Bhagavad Gita from an authentic Acharya. Srimad Bhagavad Gita definitely dispels all your ignorance, definitely solves all your problems, definitely removes all your troubles. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall definitely make every effort to listen to Bhagavad Gita from an authentic Acharya. O Srimanarayana, I realize that Bhagavad Gita dispels all my ignorance and removes all my troubles and solves all my problems. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Suka Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma prayed Sriman Narayana, who is there in the stomach of Aditi. After that, Sriman Narayana Pradurbabhuva Chaturbhujaha Shankhagadabja Chakraha Pisangavasaha Nalinayate Kshanaha. Paramatma came out from Aditi, and then he is born. He is wearing beautiful garments. He is carrying Shankha, Chakra, Gada and other weapons. Such Pundarikaksha, the one who has lotus-like wide eyes, now he is born. He is having beautiful Srivatsam on his chest. Srivatsavakshundunu, Nalina Chakshundunu, Nirantara Sri Virajita Rolamba Kadamba Vilambita, Vanamalika Parishkrutundunu, Kanaka Kankana Kanchi Kirita Valayangadanupura Alankrutundunu Avatarinche. Paramatma is having beautiful Srivatsam on his chest. He is wearing beautiful earrings, and his divine face is glowing. Such Paramatma is wearing beautiful ornaments and wearing kiritam, yajnopavitam, and also there is Vanamala on his chest, which is glowing like anything. And Kaustubha Mani is glowing in his neck. Such Paramatma Sriman Narayana born to Aditi. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasetravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, 72nd sloka. Kachidetachrutam Pardha Tvayaikagrena Chetasa Kachidajnana Sammohaha Pranashtaste Dhananjaya. Kachidetachrutam Pardha Tvayaikagrena Chetasa Kachidajnana Sammohaha Pranashtaste Dhananjaya. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.